Very good morning, my dear students. This is your science class and I am Manpreet Kaur. Today we will learn about non-infectious diseases. So, non-infectious diseases are also called non-communicable diseases. These are those diseases that do not spread from one person to another. And there are various types of non-communicable diseases. First is deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases occurred when we do not follow the proper balanced diet. Due to lack of nutrients in our body, these types of diseases caused. Let's read this. Deficiency diseases. Lack of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals causes deficiency diseases in the body. And the other types of diseases that comes under this category are allergy, obesity, diabetes, arthritis, asthma. Let's discuss these one by one. You sometimes get a rash or have a bad reaction to some food items, medicines, dust and so on. Such a reaction to a substance is called an allergy. Allergy means sometimes it happens when we take the wrong medicine or use some products, then what happens, it creates allergic reaction to our body. So this type of disease is a non-infectious disease. Another one is obesity. Obesity means when we become too much fatty due to improper diet, and this obesity can happen. You can get diseases like obesity and heart disease if you eat too much of unhealthy food. Next one is some diseases like diabetes and arthritis are caused when a part of your body does not work properly. Air pollution can cause non-communicable diseases of the breathing system like asthma. Asthma is basically a breathing problem and it causes by the air pollution. The next one is some non-communicable diseases are caused by bad habits such as smoking or drinking alcohol. Consuming too much of alcohol and smoking can cause non-communicable diseases which affects our body in a very bad way. And the next topic of this chapter is, this is the chapter number 1, page number 6, exercise, rest and good posture. In this we will learn about, apart from taking proper balanced diet, some other things are also very important in order to keep healthy and stay fit. Besides eating a balanced diet and remaining clean, you also need exercise regularly to remain healthy. It means you should do exercise on regular basis in order to stay healthy. Exercise makes your muscles grow stronger. Exercise also makes your inner organs such as heart and lungs stronger. Lack of exercise makes your muscles weak and flabby. Fat will accumulate in your body and make you overweight and unhealthy. Means if we do not exercise regularly, then what will happen? We will become unhealthy and overweight. Your body needs rest to recover and carry out repairs. Means beside from balanced diet and exercise, Your body also needs proper rest. You should get at least 8 hours of sleep every night so that you can wake up fresh and ready for next day. Exercise and rest help the body to be healthy. So that's all for today, and with this we completed our first chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.